Let's analyze the day for tomorrow. So on daily time frame, we can see that price has closed a bearish candle. The price opened over here. The buyers pushed the price up, but eventually the sellers overpowered and closed the price at the bottom. So this candle suggests bearishness. और 15 minutes पे देखेंगे तो we can see कि यहाँ पे in the start there was buying pressure being built. It even tried to move up, but eventually these prices were great for selling, and then price sold off with aggressive sell off and has closed near the bottom. और अगर वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल भी देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि in the start the whole volume was concentrated around here. The major volumes were created near these buying supports, and then price moved up for price discovery, but these prices were not accepted, so it moved back inside the value and has closed at the point of control. So according to this, tomorrow we will have a bearish bias. So on 3 minutes we can see we have a few levels. This is the day's high, day's low, and point of control, which is at 76,047. So कल हमारा plan will be to sell कि let's say price यही कहीं पे open होता है and then it moves up, तो फिर resistance formation पे we will look for a sell side trade. Or else let's say if price moves down, then near the previous day low, if we see some sell side setup, we will sell there. अगर प्राइस गैप डाउन ओपन होता है वहाँ पे भी we will look for an up move, और resistance formation पे we will look for a sell side trade. There can be one scenario for buying कि because the volumes, major volumes were built over here, if these volumes are for buying तो फिर यहाँ पे bullishness दिखना चाहिए. So one scenario I can look for buying would be कि अगर price नीचे आता है, after that the buyers move in, and after this buying move, if again the sellers push the price down and price forms a higher low near to this low, यहाँ से अगर price ऊपर जाना चालू करता है, there I would buy. Or else let's say if it breaks this low, जो लो बनाया होगा वो ब्रेक करने के बाद it immediately moves back inside, तो फिर यहाँ पे I would look for a buy side trade, और उसका target will be somewhere along this day's high. That will be the only scenario for buying. Rather than that, every sell on rise opportunity can be taken for sell side trade.